Yfltc. My channel mostly focuses on fashion, beauty, and sometimes sneaker related content. I did give y'all a little slight look today because it's Friday and I'm probably about to go do some hood rat things with my friends. But before, I do want to say that I cannot find my white eyeliner for my waterline. So I tried out this, and this was from the Makeup Forever Brass Collection. And I just want to say that I absolutely hate this eyeliner. Hate, I know the hate is a strong word, but I mean every word of it. I hate this. Now, anyway, let me get to what we're here for today. I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of a Sony Saturday bag. This is my second time doing an unboxing of a Sony Saturday bag on my channel. I will link to the first one. So I'm just going to get right into that. So today what I have is a Yfltc like this Chanel bag, and I'm going to flip the camera around. I'm going to unbox it, and then we can come back and discuss it. And I will say that this was definitely love at first sight. There was a card in here that I didn't catch at first. It says, "Don't be fake. Let me know how much you love your new merch. Use hashtag Sony Saturday on social media for a chance to be featured exclusively on my website." And then she has these little caution things that are really cute. It says, "Caution, this bag will attract attention. Do not wear if you are not camera ready. Don't like being stopped and asked for photos. Don't like any attention whatsoever." And which is really true, because her bags really do grab a lot of attention. People will stop you and ask you about it wherever you are. I started buying her bags like many years ago, and I will say that people like stop me in my tracks about these bags. And then it says, "Hi there, thank you so much for your recent purchase from SonySaturday.com. I hope you enjoy your new product just as much as I enjoy creating it." Okay, so anyway, I just unboxed this, and I will say that this was definitely love at first sight. I'm probably going to wear this today. That's just how much I really love it. It is much bigger than I expected. I was not expecting a bag this big. I'm going to go ahead and open it for you guys. And it's like it's double flap. And this is the inside. I'm gonna take the stuff out of the inside. Very spacious. I will do a what fits in a little while in this video. Some point in this video I will. Very spacious though. You can fit a lot of things inside. There is like plastic covering the turn lock and stuff, so I'll take that off later, probably not on the camera. And I like that she covered the handles to protect them from like scratching up the bag or anything like that. That was very thoughtful. The hardware appears to be it's like black hardware, which I really like, because it can be worn like with more stuff. And then there's this back pocket right here. Let me just, I don't know, I really love this bag. This is my first Yfltc like this Chanel. I do own quite a few of her Yfltc like this Birkin bags. I'll just show you guys my collection really quickly, because when I did my last video, I didn't show the bags that I already own. So I have this one that says Virgin Who Can't Drive, and this was the one of one. So nobody else has this one but me. And I've had this one for a couple of years. I don't remember exactly when I bought it, but I bought it a couple years back. And this is one of my favorite bags from her. It's just so unique. I love it. Then I have This one that you guys see me unbox, which is also beautiful. I love this bag as well. And then in this little tiny size, this is my daughter's bag. She hasn't worn it yet because it's a little bit heavy for her, she said. But this is also really cute. I believe this is the 25 centimeter size. I'll clarify that, but I believe it's 25 centimeter size. So the smallest bag that she offers. But it's really cute, super cute. There's no back pocket or anything on this one, but it's cute for what it is. And then I have like one of my OG Sonique Saturday bags that needs to be retired. This bag is tired, y'all. As you can see, it's like peeling a little bit or whatever. But this was one of my first bags that I bought from her a very long time ago. Okay, my apologies, y'all. My daughter came home, so I had to get her situated. But anyway, this, like I said, this was a bag that I bought a long time ago, like many years ago, maybe way back in like 2016, 15. I don't really know. But I've had this for a long time. I used to have a black one that I bought like way back in the day too, but that one I put it in my friend's trunk when we was going to the club, and somebody stole it out her trunk, and I don't know why, because it literally had nothing in it. It was a fucking empty ass bag, and they should have just put my bag back because I know they wanted money or whatever it was, and when they saw there was nothing in there, they should have put it back, but they didn't. So anyway, long story short, I don't have that one anymore. But this I really love. I was going to take the straps off of this one, but I don't think I'm going to take them off right now because until I actually do wear it, because I don't want the straps to rub, the chain to rub against the bag until I'm ready to use it. I think it will be kind of challenging to put it inside because of the way the bag is made. But anyway, I'm just going to do a quick what fits for you guys, so you can kind of get an idea of what fits. I don't have a Chanel flat bag at the moment to compare it to for you guys. So I don't know, the girls who have a real Chanel can let us know what the differences are, but I don't have one at the moment. Just this like parody bag, which I really like. I'm thinking about buying one for my birthday, but I'm not sure. But anyway, let me go ahead and do a what fits for you guys, so we can keep this video short and sweet, and that'll be that. So again, it's double flat. Open it up. Oh, it has a little silica pack in it. Let me take that out. This is the space amount of space that we have inside. It does have a zipper compartment. I don't think I mentioned that at first. So I'm just gonna start putting the things inside. And yeah. So I have a phone, but I would usually put that in the back in this part right here. So I'm gonna put that back there. And I don't carry much. I previously mentioned that I don't really carry a lot of things in my bag. I have AirPods, keys, a card holder, and I slid that into the pocket. So this is what we're working with right now. And here I have a makeup bag, and the only things that I have inside of here are like nail application kit. So it has like glue, nail tabs, a buffer, you know, that type of thing. I have the lip gloss that I'm wearing, lip gloss. I don't know what this is. What is this? Lip paint, nail stickers, and that's really all that I have in here. So we're going to just stick that inside. I usually have a really miniature perfume as well, but I don't have one right here right now. Then we have a mirror. I'm just gonna throw that in there. Snacks for my child. And I usually have a hand sanitizer. I don't have one right here, but let me take this one off of this bag. So we have a hand sanitizer, and I'm going to stick that inside as well. And this is how much space that took up. So you can definitely fit some more things in there. If you have like a bigger wallet or something, you can fit that in there. You can fit a few more things, definitely not too much more, but you can put more stuff inside of here for sure. I'm gonna close it up and let's see how bulky it looks with the things that I put inside. And this is what it looks. So I will say that the bag is already heavy on its own, and with the items that I put inside of it is really, really heavy. And if you were going to put this on your shoulder like this, it will be kind of heavy. So I would minimize the items that you put inside. But from what I hear, the Chanel flap bags, especially like in the jumbo sizes, are heavy on their own before you put any items in it. So I guess the faux Chanel is following that same footsteps. Like that is also heavy prior to even putting the items inside. But anyway, here we are. Here's the bag. I'm just going to keep that at that. I'm going to keep this at that. I'm not going to prolong this or keep talking about it or anything. I just wanted to show you guys something that I think is really, really cool. Oh, this bag was $350. I know that that is a little steep for some people, but I believe that it's worth it for me. But if you don't want to, you know, if that's not a price that you want to pay, then you can do your research. You can find them online, probably for a little bit cheaper. It won't have the writing, of course. You will have to do that yourself, or I don't know, figure it out, or just wear it without if that's what you want. But I personally wanted this exact bag. I had waited for a while because for a while she wouldn't restock these, and I had missed them. But then she finally did restock, and now they're like readily available on her site. Well, not readily available because I believe the black one is sold out, but she routinely brings them back. She also released this pink one with pink writing. It's like baby pink with baby pink writing. For Valentine's Day, but I didn't buy it at that time. But if it comes back, I'll probably buy that one as well and probably do an unboxing on that, and that'll probably be the end of these bags for me. But that pink one, I really, really love it. But this black was just very, very classic and something that I wanted to have into my collection. So yeah, I hope that you guys got a feel of this bag, what to expect if you were gonna buy one. And thanks for watching. Bye.